In a previous video, I talked about fraction notation and how you can use the definitions of fraction. One, to recognize the numerator and denominator. Those are other proper names. And then the second, of course, is to look at fraction as how to use it. What is it telling you? What is it saying? And so using these ideas that I presented, let's go ahead and take a look at a couple of concrete examples. In the case of these two objects, or sets of objects, I'm asking what fraction is shaded. And so you can go about this a couple different ways. You can start with the total number of pieces there are in each whole, or you can just mark down the amount that is shaded. Let's start with the shaded because the part that we want is on top. So the number of parts that are shaded, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So in this section, or in this set of blocks here, 7 of the blocks are shaded, and so that gives us 7 blocks. Now, the number of blocks in the whole thing, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. There are 15 little blocks in the whole thing, 15 pieces in the whole. And so the amount that's shaded is 7/15. If we step over to the barrels, here we have 2 barrels. We're going to assume they're identical. Both of them are cut into 3 equal pieces. And so if we count the amount that we want, the number of parts we want, which is the numerator, 1, 2, 3, 4. The number on top is 4. We want 4 parts. However, the bottom number represents the denominator, which is the number of parts in the whole. The whole is 1. It is not both, it is 1. And so we have in one barrel, there are 3 equal parts, and so there are 3 parts in the whole. In other words, it's saying we have more than one barrel. And we'll get into the meaning of that a little later. But just keep in mind that when you're talking about fractions, the part that's on top is the number of parts that you want. The part that's on the bottom represents the number of parts in the whole thing that you're considering. After that, fractions are easy. They really are. Stick around, I'll show you why.